back to the chat. Hi, Dex. You gonna say hi? Hi. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today is May 5th, which means it's time for an update for the planter garden container herb grow off challenge. I can never remember the name of it. I'll drop the hashtag on the screen. And so I've potted up everything out into the greenhouse. So we're gonna go on a bit of an herb hunt because now I have to try and find where I put them. So let's go hunting for some herbs, right, Dex? Hi. Have a kiss? Yeah? You want to go hunt for some herbs? Yeah? You like it out here in the greenhouse? Oh, rain's coming. Yeah, it's a nice place to be when it's raining. Okay, let's go look for some herbs. Not you. Get out of the way. Can you get out of the way? But the greenhouse, we set it up just temporarily over the winter, but we set it up near where the big pot was last year. So you can see I've got some nasturtiums that have self-seeded on the ground here, so that's kind of funny. Oh, and Dexter likes... This here is a curry leaf that I bought at the store when I made dinner the other night. I made some dosa and some sambar and tomato chutney, which all calls for curry leaf. It smells amazing, by the way. And it's on a very woody stalk, so I'm just seeing if I can root some. And it smells really good. Okay, so herbs. Oh, I just knocked that tray. Okay, so, oh, I see some. So over there we have borage, and that was my second. I had to seed those later, so I have 3 of them there. They're doing really well. And then I believe the other ones are up here. Okay, hold on. Watch out, Dex. Here we go. Here we go. So we have Mexican mint is right here. And then on this side, back here, that is my edible chrysanthemum. That's doing really good. There it is. Yep, picolino basil. There it is. It's doing good. Okay, what else was in my challenge? And last but not least, we have our dill and parsley. That's doing really good out here, enjoying the weather. And we got quite a few miner's lettuce that have self-seeded from last year, so yay! Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch everyone else in the playlist. I will drop the link down below and the hashtag, and I will see you in the next update. Bye!